Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Adila Huda Meti Muhammad Razali, 1171501. The title of my research paper is Analysis of Fibre Content and Sugar Content of Popularly Consumed Chicken-Based Dishes in Malaysia. Generally, the consumption of poultry in Malaysia is quite higher, and will expected will increase 10 kg per capita from 2019 until 2025. After rice, chicken is second important food where people all age love to consume. Chicken is rich with protein, have some part rich with fats, and also contains moderate carbohydrates. However, because of living in multi-race, chicken will modify into many types of recipes with adding of some other ingredients like condiments and herbs. The combination will improve the nutrients, but overconsumption can lead to complications like non-communicable disease. The problem that appears here is the increase of diabetes every year due to unhealthy lifestyle and unbalanced diet of food intake every day. Hence, consumers do ignore about the nutrients content in every food diet and what the complication could happen. Eating in wrong way also become an issue to the increase of diabetic statistic every year, which is consumers do not consume in correct way like stated by health guidelines. The purpose of this study is to analyze the content of fiber and sugar in 6 samples of popularly consumed chicken-based products, which are chicken curry, chicken kurma, chicken with soy sauce, chicken with tomato sauce, roasted chicken, and chicken rendang, and also to identify how these dishes affect to diabetes in Malaysia. The objective of this paper is to identify the composition of fiber and sugar content that available in chicken-based dishes. Second, to analyze the effect and benefit of chicken-based dishes consumption in terms of fiber and sugar content. Third, to identify the glycemic index in chicken-based dishes in Malaysia which affect to diabetes. In literature review, I will focus on 4 things, which is the first one is the consumption of poultry in Malaysia increase steadily every year per capita. Among all species of poultry, chicken is the highest consumed by people, and because of this, the production meet high demands and the increase of production rise in every year. Second, non-communicable disease and risk factor obesity, known as non-transmissible and non-infectious disease among people. One of risk factor is obesity, and the statistic by National Health and Morbidity Survey has shown rate of overweight and obese for adults above 18 years old from 2006 to 2015 increased steadily. Types of non-communicable disease is cardiovascular disease, diabetes, respiratory disease, and cancer, and risk factor is one of causes to get this NCD. Then, due to high consumption of chicken meat by Malaysians, it need to state the effect and benefit of the consumption. For chicken meat, it provides many benefits as itself is white and lean meat and rich with proteins and nutritional values. For example of the benefit is it may help in weight loss and build muscles. Otherwise, overconsumption can lead to risk of diabetes as too much protein can decrease insulin sensitivity and effectively control blood sugar level. And for the cooked chicken, where the dishes is added with other ingredient, it may affect the nutritional value, so the benefit and effect will change a bit. It is good because it contains adequate nutrients and balanced diet, but it increase risk of heart disease, obesity, and diabetes. Last one is glycemic index. Glycemic index is rank carbohydrates from 0 to 100 based on how quickly and how much it rises blood sugar levels. When consumers take low glycemic food, it will digest and absorb slowly into bloodstream and rise low in blood sugar level. When consumers take high glycemic food, it will digest quickly into bloodstream and cause spike in blood sugar level. It can lead risk of type 2 diabetes. Then for material, they have 6 different samples of chicken-based dishes. chicken curry, chicken kurma, chicken with soy sauce, chicken with tomato sauce, roasted chicken and chicken rendang. All of these obtained from Institute of Medical Research IMR and packed in airtight packaging after undergo freeze drying process. The method for determination of fiber content is enzymatic gravimetric method based on AOAC method 991.43 and AACC method 32-07.1. This method is compatible than other as it is used enzyme and conduct like standard experiment in laboratory. For determination of sugar, we'll use high performance liquid chromatographic HPLC method as is available in the laboratory. Since the sample are already done, it will proceed to the analysis. For the left one is the formula for the fiber content and the right one formula for the sugar content. We will calculate after analysis is have done. The statistic analysis, the analysis we conduct in duplicate. The result we state in mean plus minus standard deviation and subjected to analysis of variance ANOVA. And the result we compare with LST test with significant level 95%. The expected outcome for the fiber content, the result we get through the dietary fiber calculation. For the sugar content, we get through the calculation of the area of individual sugar in samples and standard solution. All the result we get different since the different seed sample. This is the Gantt chart that I will follow until the thesis submission on February 2021. This is the sum of reference I use in this proposal writing. That's all for me. Thank you.